Hi guys, welcome back to another video here with Yesenia at Yessimperfections. So this is another collaboration with Irresistible Me. So they sent me this beautiful hair extensions, and this is in the color rosewood, and they're 100% Remy human hair, and they're so soft, guys, like no joke, these are so soft. So I think I might combine my hair. So yeah, I just want to start this video by saying thank you to Irresistible Me for sending me this beautiful hair extensions, and let's see how well I can put them on. I did straighten my hair ahead of time, so this wouldn't be a super long video. But this hair extensions, you can color them, you can cut them, you can dye them, you can do anything to them. And so it does come with 2 clips, as well as 3 clips. This is how the clips look like. Easy to open and close, and there's 2 just 1 clips, and just 1 4 clips. So I do have a special link with them if you guys are interested in trying them out, as well as other hair extensions. They also have this flat iron that I have tried, which I will link. All the links will be down below. Yeah, let's begin, guys. I don't even know if I mentioned, I don't want to forget anything, but these are the new invisible clip-ins. So basically is their silky fabric sewed in, and they have a silicone base, so they blend seamlessly and you won't be able to tell that you have hair extensions in. So I'm first going to put the 4 clip in. Yeah, this is the 4 clip. So I hope you guys will be able to see. So I'm going to try and section my hair.
So this is how my hair looks. I'm just sectioning a very thin layer. So let me try and turn around and see if you guys will be able to see, but let's open the clips.
So I'm being raw and honest with you guys. You know, this was a struggle for me. I think also because I don't have much hair. I have hair, but my hair's on the thinner side. So if you have thinner hair, it's going to be harder to blend them. Not because the hair extensions are bad, but just because, you know, we don't have as much hair to work with. So there's one in. Whew. And this is a workout, guys, for sure. So the rest of this, I'm going to speed it up. Me, because of my arthritis, obviously it's a lot harder for me to apply this hair extensions. How well I can blend them in. I feel like because I have this two spots where they kind of separate right there, it's hard for me to blend those areas out. But I mean, let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think? I think the color is like right on. Let me show you guys. Okay guys, so my mom ended up helping me, but this is the best I can do. I'm sure if you guys try it, it would be a lot easier for you guys. For me, because I gotta be real and honest, you know, obviously these hair extensions were sent to me for me to review. I like them. I like the quality and everything. I just don't. For me, it's hard to install them, but I mean, they look fine. Like this. Let's see how they look towards the back. Okay, so this is how they look in the back. I think they look a lot more better now than when I installed them. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And again, I'm gonna have the link down below if you guys are interested in trying them on. And it would help me out if you guys click on that link, because that lets the company know, you know, that people are viewing their channel. So yeah, I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget that we are all beautiful in our way. Don't let anyone tell you or make you feel any less.